Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we're going to go over your frequently asked questions. So in your frequently asked questions, this is kind of an important section of your website. This is going to help your visitors figure out basically all their questions that they might ask you. You're going to answer them before they ask you. That way it saves you time and it saves them time. So in order to add a new one, you click on Add New. And it's very simple. The title bar would be where you're going to ask your question, and then in the block of body right here you're going to give an answer to it. And the cool thing about this is you can not just give a text answer, you can add images to this, you can add a video here. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do. And then basically all this SEO stuff at the bottom, you don't need any of this for the frequently asked questions, so you can just ignore that. When you're done, you just click the publish button. Okay, so next thing we're going to talk about how to update your frequently asked questions. So once you have a question right here, you basically just need to edit it. So you click on the edit, and all you gotta do is change what you don't like about it, add pictures, add videos, do whatever you kind of need to do, and then click the update. And that's pretty much it for the frequently asked questions. So now let's go to the website and see how this will look. Okay, so frequently asked questions, and then we're going to scroll down, and this is how it looks. So that's it. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks.